guys, today we're going to make tutti frutti mango dessert. It's very easy to make and it's a delicious combination. So let's begin with the ingredients. 2 mangoes. Firstly, we're going to show you how to cut and peel the mangoes. Firstly, cut off the ends because we do not need that. And then peel the skin off because we're only going to need the plum. Mangoes are one of my favourite fruits. They're nice and sweet and delicious. And then cut. There's a seed in the middle. We're just going to cut around the sides. We will just need the plump of the mango, not the seed part. So we're going to leave that out. We can still eat the plump that's around the seed. And cut into squares. Or you could slice it like this. It's up to you. We prefer slicing it. So we have 2 chopped mangoes, 2 slices of tutti frutti cake. If you want to know how to make homemade delicious tutti frutti cake, it's linked in the description. Half a cup of yogurt, a quarter cup of sugar, and milk required. Firstly, we're going to mix our sugar with our yogurt. Give it a good mix. Make sure you mix it until the sugar is like dissolved. So you're going to pour the milk. Not a lot, but enough to make the cake moist and soaked. And the milk will soak into the cake. And then after that, you're going to add in your yogurt and sugar that you mix together. Very nice combination. Tastes really amazing. Then after that, you're going to place your mangoes on top. So here we have our delicious, easy tutti frutti mango dessert. It's really tasty. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.